guys, and welcome to the second game of the Epic game. Well, we got some renovations and so pretty decent, right? Very decent. We got a few new clothes, pretty nice. Got big planes, got 2 more big runways. We need tarmac. And guess what? We have a VIPs here. Save. We need the warehouse and the utilities. It's a warehouse. I think. Ooh. This is the VIPs. They obviously need luxury. Oh, luxury! A fire truck. Don't listen to me, just VIPs. And the kids. They do kids. One of the passes. They shoved the package. What's the end? There we go. Yeah. It's pretty good, right? Oh yeah. I don't need. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's where storage is. The self-check-in. We got some more jelly, yeah. Got me and Okay. These. Something feels. We got A380. No, A320, no A380. Sorry. Why do we only have... Wait. This is where the luxuries just premium economy. Oh, yeah, we need outdoors. Doors. Yes. Here. Doors. They get tiny. Good. Oh yeah, we need food. Crap. They need food. Well, probably they will want maybe a few sushi bars. Fast food. Everyone likes fast food. Except the vegans. More first class lounges. Dino. Yes! The VIPs love this. Shovel them. Wi-Fi. They like computers. What? Eh? What do you mean? But just brutality. Whoa. Hey, who's this? The bank. Wee. They see these on. Where's that? Where's the serum? Hey. Ali, Urcon. Bruh, you don't have enough money. Wait. I need some. If I'm worth like it. Okay. Down. Got 10 keys. We should go on everything. No beak. We got a bunch of money. But anyway,